I've witnessed the growth of Keller India in the past 2 decades. What I'm impressed about is passionate people who build the organization brick by brick, aligning with our approach of global strength and local focus.
Certainly what I've observed over the 5 years that I've been part of the Keller India business is not only the staff's commitment to Keller, but the commitment to each other and to the communities that we work and live in. And I've seen this time and time again.
They have the ability to bring together technical know-how, operational excellence and a commercial acumen all together in combination in order to actually satisfy our clients, and in doing so, being in a position where we financially prosper over time.
The passion and culture at Keller enabled us to implement international standards of safety, quality, integrity, collaboration and excellence in our local projects, which in turn turned out to be a competitive differentiation from others. I'm particularly proud of how we overcame the challenges of COVID pandemic to safeguard both people and business needs.
If you take, for instance, COVID, everybody was double vaccinated so early on, and employees were supported throughout the whole of the pandemic. And indeed, this was recognised by the COVID Warrior Award.
Keller India believes there is an innate need of reduction of carbon footprint through our unique construction processes and protect our planet and environment responsibly.
The team as a whole focuses on the very good execution of the group strategy. We are a service industry and people are frankly the lifeblood of what we do, and it's really pleasing to see the appreciation of people in Keller India. In a recent survey, 97% of the employees who were surveyed acknowledged the fact that they were proud to be part of the organisation.
A hearty congratulations to the Keller India team on what has been a truly magnificent 20 years.
I'm really excited about being able to congratulate India on its 20th birthday. Indeed, I regard it as a personal privilege. India is one of those business units which I hold up as an exemplar when I'm talking to the board or indeed to our shareholders.
It's time for us to celebrate 20 years of success in India, what we have achieved together.